Are you worried about the market falling? Well, let's take a look at how to protect your portfolio. I'm Rachel Jones and you're watching Kalkinemedia. Well, it's impossible to avoid risks and uncertainty in the market. There surely are ways to help minimize the risk and protect capital during market corrections. Here are 3 strategies that can help you protect your portfolio from going to the dogs when the tide turns against you. Firstly, we have diversification. Now that's the cornerstone of a successful investing journey. It simply means to allocate your capital to different sectors within equity markets or different asset classes altogether to minimize the risk of one asset or sector on the entire portfolio. It eliminates the concentration of risk. Then there's hedging. Now, hedging is a strategy wherein investments in 2 assets are made which are inversely correlated to each other, meaning if one asset falls in value, the other one tends to rise. This helps to mitigate risk as losses from one asset are offset by gains in the other. However, the degree of hedging varies and investors need to be cautious as to how much effective hedge one wants to create. Now, a stop-loss order protects your securities from falling more than your permissible price. For example, if you bought a share at $100 and have a risk appetite of $10 on this position, then you can place a stop-loss order at $90. So in case your share falls to $90, your holding will be sold off, protecting you from a further loss below $90. Stop-loss orders are essential to cut your losses short and cap them within your risk allowance, therefore not allowing any of your holdings to make a severe dent on your overall portfolio. So basically, losses cannot be avoided in financial markets as one of the drawbacks that come with the uncertain nature of the market. However, with proper risk management strategies, most of which are easier to deploy, investors can definitely minimize the risk within their capacity to bear. Measures such as diversification and hedging not only help to reduce severe losses, but also help to generate peace of mind and emotional stability during those tough times. Now, if you like the information in this video, please like, share and comment on the video, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can press the bell icon and that will give you notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel, signing off for Kalkinemedia.